Hey everyone, welcome back to the Digital Moneymaker. Today, we're diving into something that's absolutely blowing up in 2026. AI tools that are actually helping people make real money online. Forget those outdated work-from-home gimmicks. These are legit, powerful platforms that creators, freelancers, and entrepreneurs are using right now to generate serious income. If you stay till the end, I'll also share a bonus AI tool that is silently helping people earn thousands of dollars every single month. So, let's jump straight in. Tool number 1. Opus Clip. First on the list. This AI tool is a game changer for content creators. It automatically takes your long-form videos like YouTube or podcasts and turns them into viral, short clips optimized for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Now here's where the money comes in. People are using Opus Clip to start. AI short-form editing services on Fiverr and Upwork, charging $50 to $200 per project. Imagine editing 10 videos a week. That's $1,000 easily, just using AI automation. It's a no-skill, high-demand tool that's perfect for freelancers or anyone looking to start an online service business in 2026. Tool. And those Husband. Next up, Jasper AI. One of the most advanced AI writing assistants out there. Writers and marketers use Jasper to create blog posts, ad copy, product descriptions, and even YouTube scripts like this one. All in minutes. Freelancers on Fiverr are offering AI content, writing services using Jasper and making $3,000, $5,000 per month. It's simple. Clients don't care how you write it. They just want high-quality results. With Jasper, you can deliver faster and smarter and charge premium rates for it. Tool number 3. Midjourney. Alright, this one's wild. It's an AI image generation tool that turns text into stunning, hyper-realistic art and visuals. People are making money using Midjourney in so many creative ways, selling artwork on Etsy, designing thumbnails, t-shirts, NFTs, and even book covers. Here's the kicker. You don't need design skills at all. You type a simple prompt like futuristic cityscape and neon lights, and Midjourney creates it instantly. Artists and brands are paying for that, and you can easily turn it into a full-time income stream in 2026. Tool number 4, Notion AI. This one's more for productivity. Pros. Notion AI. It helps you organize projects, automate workflows, and write professional emails or business plans in seconds. Freelancers and consultants are selling AI business setup or workflow automation services using Notion AI, charging $100 plus per setup. If you love systems and organization, this tool can turn your skills into serious cash flow. Tool number 5, Pika Labs. And finally, Pika Labs. This is one of the newest and most exciting AI video generation platforms in 2026. You can literally create short cinematic videos using just a text prompt. Marketers, YouTubers, and ad creators are using it to make video content faster than ever before. People are selling AI-generated video ads to small businesses, charging hundreds per project. It's the next evolution of content creation. Fast, creative, and super profitable. So, there you have it, the top 5 AI tools making people rich in 2026. If you want me to do a full tutorial on how to actually make money using one of these tools, comment below which one caught your attention the most. And don't forget, I drop new videos every single day, breaking down the latest tools and income strategies. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, tap the bell icon, and join our growing community of digital earners. This is the Digital Moneymaker, and I'll see you in the next one.